Welcome to Sweet Street!
The founder of Sweet Street's Desserts, Sandy Solman, had a dream to make scrumptious treats for Berks County and surrounding communities. She began working towards her dream by creating grab-and-go treats for the empty counters of convenience stores. She worked out of her 2-car garage baking sweet treats. The production grew over time till it became Sweet Street's Desserts.
At Sweet Street, everything is a team effort, from innovation to creation and enjoying the final product. There's a job in place for anyone, and their employees love working there.
My name is Laurie Maddox, and I've been working here at Sweet Street Desserts for 31 years. I manage both development of products and their inception into manufacturing. You know, creating new desserts is so exciting, and here at Sweet Street we have the ability to get and use any ingredients that we could possibly get access to, so that's very exciting.
I'm Justin Crasley. I am the Director of Operations for both the Reading and the Greenville Sweet Street facility. I've been working in manufacturing for the better part of 25 years. Every day is different, every hour of every day is different. You never get bored doing the same thing. There's so many different kinds of jobs, from depositing or in the oven room or finishing or baking, that we can pretty much find something that someone is suited for, no matter what their ability is.
My name is Luis Correa. I'm mixing coordinator at Sweet Street Desserts. I've been employed here going on 9 years. We have a nice little group here, and it's like a family. So my day-to-day is to make sure that the mixing department is as successful as possible. 20 guys under me. I break them down into groups, figure out what ovens are running, what mixes are running, and try to set them up best as possible.
My name is Elizabeth Gonzalez, they're known as Bebe here. Our job specifically is just like the second process after mixing. We make sure to have the product going to the line, whether it's in a box or pans, stuff like that. After that process, it goes into the oven department.
As you've seen, Sweet Street Desserts is a magical manufacturing field with a multitude of fun job opportunities. Not only do their employees love working there, but the community gets to enjoy their scrum-diddly-umptious treats.